Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to set family mode on Yandex. Family mode helps in safer browsing experience for children and family members. You can easily set family mode on Yandex. For that, first open any web browser. I am going on with Yandex. Yandex browser doesn't directly have the option of setting family mode on PC. For that, you need to go to your search bar and type in www.yandex.com. Then press on enter. With this, here you will be directly taken to web browsing site of Yandex. Now here you can see three lines on top right. Click on three lines. Then here you'll be able to see option of settings. Click on settings. After this, you'll be directly taken to search settings. Now here you can see three type of search settings. That is no filter, moderate filter and family mode. Currently my search settings is on moderate filter. So to change in family mode, click on family mode option. Then click on save option. With this, your search settings will be changed into family mode. That means you will now experience safer browsing experience than any other type of settings. This is how we can set family mode on Yandex. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.